All right, so part one, doing the body. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this. I think I have a picture. Well, I do, but I'm gonna take this picture here. Um, take this picture and let's see here. New scene, save, export. Selected image. Export to desktop, and we're gonna call it Cruella proportion. And then I'm gonna just drag it into here, and we're gonna use that as a basis to do a quick grease pencil sketch so that I can feel that I have some pretty decent proportions for this character. Um, with that, we're going to open up Cruella. All right, so here's the picture. Drag it over here. Of course, there we go. All right, so we do have a should be a default cube somewhere. Well, if not, that's fine. I'll just add in one. So Shift A, add in a cube. All right, so there's your cube. This cube by default is 2 meters, which is roughly 6 feet. So, all right, cool. Man, I hate that lag. That's something I just can't get past. I hate that freaking lag. All right, so we're gonna grab the reference image and shrink it off of the 3D cursor, something like this. I'm not gonna go through all my hotkeys. All I'm doing is just showing you the workflow. All right, so we'll say something like that-ish, and play with the transparency on this so I can be able to see what I'm doing. All right, so yeah, we'll say something like that's good. All right, I'm focusing on this foot here, not the one that's forward in perspective. Focusing on the one that's sideways. That's going to be the ground. So something like that. All right, so let's get her shifted to the center here. Something like that, maybe. And we'll say that's yay. All right, so let me go ahead and deselect this. And now we can switch to our grease pencil, which we don't have yet. So let's create a grease pencil so that we can sketch out a quick frontal sketch. So a new layer, call that Cruella underscore front. I think let's see if I can get this right. Turn off your lights when you're doing this. Go to your materials. Gonna add in a new one. We'll just call it black ink. And she'll be able to start drawing. Go over to draw mode. And of course that doesn't work. Hold on. What's the deal? What am I missing here? I'm missing something. See here. What am I missing? Let's try. I think you go to one of these views here. Let's try that view. Nope. Crap. I'm not sure. Let's see here. This lag is, man, it makes it so enjoyable. Alright, I got the correct layer selected. What's the deal? Why can't I see it? There we go. Alright, cool. Alright, so we're gonna draw this little character here. All I'm doing is focusing on proportions. No details really necessary. Focusing on proportions here. Alright, so I want to go ahead while I'm here, just do a mirror. So where's it at? Here we go. All right, cool. I think that's my strength. I want to. There we go. And maybe make that a little bigger. All right, so we're just gonna say that's the head. There's your neck. There's your shoulders, and your breasts right about here, and the torso. This will be the hips, roughly, and then the incredibly long legs, right down to right about there, maybe. Be about the knees. You'll have the calves very, very narrow too. Something like that. And then we'll put the foots right about there-ish. This girl looks like a skeleton, dude. But that's the whole point. And then her arms would be roughly right. I think the elbows are roughly at the 10th rib on, humans. She'll have a tiny bit of meat on her forearms. I think like that's too low. I need to come right about here-ish on the elbow. And this will be the palm. Make that a little bit bigger. Then you got the thumb. Very long thumbs. I think for her fingers, which I didn't address in the little talk, her fingers are going to be like, I think curves, because I think that's something new for me, doing curves for fingers. I was doing either the skin modifier, or sometimes I use metaballs, or what's the other one? Just using geometry, but I think I'm going to use curves for her fingers. It'll work out pretty well. All right, cool. We'll say that's yay. I guess while I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and do a side view too. So let's just go to this right here. We'll apply that. I guess you can't do that. Hold on. Let's go to maybe object mode and apply that. And then I want to go to, let's make sure we're on the right layer here. Where's my layers at? All right, so we got this front layer. Yay. We'll go ahead and lock that and hide it. And then I'll add a second layer. This is going to be my side layer. So let's just do side, and let's make this one visible, but I'm gonna turn it down a little bit on the opacity. Let's see here. Why is my opacity not working? Maybe it's because I locked it, maybe. No. I guess I gotta start using this grease pencil more, because I'm kind of rusty on it. Okay, I see it over there. I can see it over there that's working in the window. Alright, let's get this head done. I turned off my mirror, so I'm good on that. That'll be about the skull, the face, right about there. This really needs to come forward that way. And then you'll have the, if that's the breast here, this will be right about there, be your rib cage. Something like that. We can hide this now, maybe. I don't know. I'll wait. I got your arm, comes down, arm. Looks like, I know this is terribly difficult to see what's going on here, but I'm sketching out the side view. And I'm kind of looking up there at that other one. I need to make this a little easier to see. Let's see here. Maybe go to the empty. Hold on. Let's go back to object mode. This lag isn't helping, but you gotta do what you gotta do, right? Maybe if we go to our world view and fix this background here. Let's see. There you go. And should be some options. Here we go. Viewport. Crank this up so I can see what I'm doing. I should have done this earlier. All right. And what else? What else am I missing here? Go to my grease pencil. Working on the side. I can't see anything else right now. It is a little light. Turn off the lights. All right. Still can't see like my stuff. Why is that? Yeah, I gotta start working with the grease pencil more. Cause this I don't know. It's difficult to see. I can see here, but I can't freaking see the picture and all that. I don't know. It's annoying. Oh, well, it helps when you have the strength all the way up, doesn't it? Like I say, I gotta work with this grease pencil more. Like the setup is what I'm talking about. It's not the using of it. That's not hard. It's the setup. And that's not hard either. But if you don't use it, you forget. You become rusty. Okay, let's get this character finished. Alright, so you got the leg here. I feel like this needs to go up. So just grab this bit here. And we'll just move that up. Something like that. Alright, I guess while I'm here I can work it out. Maybe where the arm is, and then her hips will be right about here-ish. I'll come way up in there. Alright, cool. Alright, I'm happy with that. Let's hide this. Bring this one back. This one I need to multiply or something. Alright. I still feel like I need to multiply it or something, because I can't barely see that. Won't do me much good if I can't see it. If I was to go in here, let's lock this one, unlock this one, grab everything, duplicate it, and then see what we get. Yeah, it's getting a little better. Like it's basically like multiplying. We'll say that's good. All right, so hide this one, lock it. Look at this one. All right, cool. I can work with both of those. All right, this one here, want to unlock that so that I can go into edit mode, grab all of it, and we're going to separate that. So now this one right here, this side view, we're going to put that on the side view. So let me go to object mode, and we want to select the side view. So I'm in object mode, so select this view here. That should be the side view. Okay, so we go to 3 RZ90. Okay, so I got a side view there. We can hide that, and then I should have a front view. Unhide that, go to front view. Cool. All right, so we got a side view and a front view. Lost my side view. Where's my side view at? Hold on. Let's see. You got your. Okay, you got a side view. Where's my side view at? Hold on. All right, there we go. Okay, so we got a side view and a front view. All right, cool. Okay, so give that a save, and that's it. We'll call that good.